Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 6.2 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your device to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up your file manager app, which here it's called Files, right here. And once you tap on it, you can scroll down and you'll see the two different storages, so internal and your SD card. Now, if you only see one or none, you want to tap right here, and where I have hide storage devices, you should see show storage devices like this. Just tap on it and then you should see storages at the bottom. So from here, key thing to keep in mind, DCIM folder, which is this one right here, will contain all your pictures and videos that you have captured with this device. Photos folder, on the other hand, will contain screenshots. So pictures, right here, you have screenshots. And then download folder will contain anything that I have downloaded using the web browser or email. So anything that I have downloaded will always be located in this folder. Now, this one is empty for me. So whatever you want to copy or move, find where it is. So for me, it's going to be a couple of photos that I have, and they're going to be under the DCIM and camera, as you can see right here. So you want to select them, and you can hold one of them for a longer. So just hold one option, phone will do a vibration, and then you can see that it's selected, and you can just simply tap on additional ones to add them on. So you can select them like so. You can also select all by tapping on the three dots right here, like this, and then every file in that folder will be selected. So just as an example, I'm gonna deselect almost all of them and select all. You can see that they automatically get selected. Or you can also move the entire folder that contains all these pictures. So if I go back, that's where they all are, and I can just select the entire folder like this, and also tap on the three dots right here, and the same options are visible if you just choose to select a couple files instead of the entire folder. So from here, once you tap on the three dots, you'll also have the option to either move or copy. Choose whichever option you want. Move will just completely remove them from where they are right now and move them to a new location, while copy will create an additional set of the same files. So choose whichever one you wish to do. Now I'm gonna move it. And once you tap on that option, it will open up the two places where you can move it. So you have either the internal storage, which is the first one, or the SD card, which is the second one. Now my pictures are already located on the internal storage, so I'm gonna go to the SD card this time around. So let's tap on it. And I think I completely missed it. Move. There we go. So once you tap on the option that you wish to, the location that you wish to move it, it opens up for me, well, it's the SD card and all of its folders. So you can see this is the main directory of the SD card. And from here I can either place it here by move here, and we'll just drop it right between all these other folders. I can also keep it a little bit more organized and, for instance, drop it also under the DCIM folder, which is empty. So I could put it right here. I can, for instance, go somewhere else where I previously moved different pictures and just kind of drop it, for instance, in here. Now, just so you can see that it gets moved, I'm gonna stick with the main directory of the SD card. So when you first open it up and all of its content is visible here, I'm gonna move it right here and allow. Get a progress of the bottom, and once it's finished, the files now can be found in the SD card. So let's go over there, and you should see camera folder right here, which has been just now moved, so it's new, and all of its content is right in here. And if I go back to the SD card, I mean not SD card, internal storage, you will see that the pictures are gone from there because of the choice that I have selected to move instead of copy them. So there is nothing else here. But that is how you would move any kind of file. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.